You see? Because I'm just going in this direction here. And then I use alpha x. Then I got point P prime. You see? So it's clear now for you, okay? This minus 1. You see, it's clear now that you can play, okay, with this linear mapping here, okay? Just to go from one point, this is, attention now, this in this case is R2. This is R2. Then I can use only Euclidean. This is Cartesian coordinate. See? Then I can relate the coordinates here to the coordinates over there. That's why we call transition function from M and N. Never I'll go from here to here, you see, because here are points of the manifold. Okay, this, okay, in this case, okay, I forget the manifold from here to here. That's the intention. You see, this I'll call here 15A, and next to 15B, I'll give another example, numerical example, just for you to see this. Okay?